of Department of Mathematics from Government Degree College, Rangasaippet, Warangal. Under Jignasa Student Study Project, we have selected a topic complex analysis and some of its applications. Coming to the introduction, what is the square root of 100? Easy, the answer is 10. What is the square root of -1? Assigning this answer, I is the imaginary unit. It is the beginning step of complex analysis. Complex analysis is applied for pure mathematics, engineering, and many areas. Coming to aims and objectives: to know the history of complex number, to study the properties of complex number, to study the concept of complex functions, limits and continuity, differentiation, analytic functions, entire functions, singularities, residues, complex integration, to identify and highlights how complex analysis methods have the potential to tackle challenging problems in a number of areas.
Overview of the history of the complex analysis. These are the scientists who have worked in the complex analysis and contributed the many theorems and other results. John Bernoulli, Abraham de Moivre, Leon Euler. Basics, methodology. We have gathered here information from various educational resources, studied the concepts and understood that there are many applications involving complex analysis. Among them, we have studied about some applications and presented in this project. Basics. The key concepts that we need to understand are: we define the imaginary unit I and square root of the -1. We have also defined C, the complex pair, a complex number that has a real part and an imaginary part. That is, a complex number can be written as z equals to a plus ib, where a is the real portion and b is the imaginary portion, and a, b are the both real numbers. We can notice that any real number can be noticed as z equals to 1.
Unit form of a complex number that look like z is equals to a plus ib, where a is a real part and b is the imaginary part. I is called iota, which has under root of -1. The polar form of a complex number that look like z is equals to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Angle theta r is equals to mod z. The exponential form of a complex number that look like z is equals to e power I theta. Further properties: the magnitude of a complex number z is denoted as mod z. Mod z is equals to under root of a square plus b square. The distance between two complex numbers is defined as d of z1 comma z2 is equals to mod z1 minus z2. Triangular inequality: the equation is mod z1 plus z2 is less than equal to mod z1 plus mod z2. Complex conjugated denoted as z star. Z star is equals to a minus bi. A complex function is also can be defined in a singular way as a complex number with u of x comma y and b of x comma y being two real valued functions. These are the examples if the limit exists.
Holomorphic function. A function f d2c is a holomorphic in D or analytic in D if it is complex differentiable at every point on D equals to c. The function is called entire function. The Cauchy equations this is the Cauchy equations. Formula for Cauchy-Euler's equation. Euler's formula is exponential ix is equal to cos x plus I sin x. Residue: the residue of f of x z in point C. The coefficient of 1 by z minus c is the Lorentz transformation. This is the residue formula.
So, applications of complex analysis: contour integrations in solving real integrals. This is the example we have to evaluate. By using complex numbers, we can evaluate the numbers easily. We can rewrite it as y integral of c f of z dz equals to z square by z to the power of plus 1. This first goes to 0. Integral of c of f of z dz equals to 0, where z equals to I to the power. Clearly, z1 and z2 are the poles of inside the C. Residues of f of z1 and z2 points are these. In integration of c f of z dz are 2 by sum of the residues. It can be written, the whole function, the result is pi by root 2. It can be written as I of x.
Maximum arguments principle used to prove some theorems like the fundamental theorem of algebra, Square's lemma, the Handred three lines theorem. Some more applications in other areas: electric engineering, nuclear physics, quantum mechanics, string theory, data science, Now we are coming to conclusion. It is worth being familiar with the basics of complex variables. There are already numerous real-world applications with more being developed every day. It also can help to solve our understanding modulus. These are the references. Thank you.